Introducing OfferCash 2.0, the ultimate upgrade. We've packed this update with powerful features to elevate your OfferCash experience. Once you update to version 2.0, you'll unlock an all-new admin settings panel with advanced customization options, including configuration. Wait, before we continue the video, I have some exciting news. OfferCash is currently on a massive Diwali sale. For a limited time, you can get 50% off on the OfferCash Offerwall and survey platform. This is the perfect time to elevate your earnings and make the most of this festive season. So don't miss out. Grab OfferCash now and start earning more, faster. All right, now let's jump back into the video. Financial management, SMTP setup, and more. What's new in OfferCash 2.0? New complete admin. Configuration system, new easy logo, favicon, and icon uploads. New Google login with on-off and custom configuration. New featured offers. Toggle, new website and debug modes. New referral point system for user engagement. New advanced SMTP setup for seamless email management. Plus, enhancements and fixes. Fix live cash-out cards. Fix bug and glitch. Resolutions update enhanced documentation and functionalities for optimal performance.
CodeSellMarket.com. Your vision, our tech.